Welcome to our video on how to make this 3D part. First we will complete front portion. Next we will complete back portion. Let's start activity. Select Part Design Workbench. Click here to add a new document. Add a new body. Select Additive box. Select Reference Plane. Check box dimensions. For width, it is Y direction. Check height. Provide height dimension. Check and provide length dimension. Click OK to add box. Next, we will provide chamfer at both sides. Select edge. Click on task. Click OK to apply. Select second edge. Click OK to apply. Next, we will remove material with the help of subtractive cylinder. Check height and radius. Enter radius and height. Select reference plane. Provide offsets in X and Y directions. Click OK to remove material. Next, we will add box at backside. Check dimensions. Select additive box. Select reference plane. Enter height. Enter length. Enter width in Y direction. Provide offset in Y direction. Move object in X direction. Click OK to add material. Next, we will remove material by subtractive box. Adjust height. Check and enter length. Select reference plane. Move this box in Y direction. Click OK to remove material. Next step is to remove this portion. Select subtractive box. Select reference plane. Move in Z direction. Check for Z offset. Provide length. Provide width. Move in Y direction. Check for X offset. Adjust. Click OK to remove material. Select last feature. Click on Export. Save file in desired format. Import part. Move part. Change color. And there you have it. By following along and analyzing the isometric view, you've successfully recreated this part. Well done! Keep exploring, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of your creativity. Please do not forget to press like button.